Hi everyone, I'm Ben Detweiler and I'm joined today with Lori King to talk a little bit about the Distracted Driving Day that is planned. So thanks for being here today, Lori. Can you tell me what distracted driving is?
Distracted driving is driving while using a cell phone, while texting, under any kind of influence of drugs, or just generally focusing on anything other than the road.
Okay, and where did the idea come to have this Distracted Driving Day?
Well, as a gifted student, we're required to do a service project, and we had seen a video about students that had done a distracted driving day, and we thought it would be a good idea to influence that here.
All right, so what is planned for this event?
We have a 2-day event planned where in both days we hope to use our resources in order to draw attention to the dangers of distracted driving.
All right, so during these 2 days, what is going to be taking place?
Well, Friday, April 10th, we have a system set up where we'll be pulling 11 kids from their classes, including ourselves, to participate in something we nicknamed Dead Day, which basically means that every day 11 teenagers die from distracted driving. So we're going to pull them from their classes, tape a giant X on their chest, which indicates that they're dead. And from that point on, the only thing they're allowed to do is get up and walk from class to class. They're not allowed to engage or interact with anyone else, and it shows that the accumulation of students that are dying throughout the day from distracted driving.
All right, and then what is happening on that Monday?
Monday, we are pulling juniors and seniors from their English classes to come down to the gym and participate in kind of a fair type activity where you walk around from table to table, try different distracted driving simulators, hear from a representative of the West Norton Police Department, hear from a representative from MAD, which is Mothers Against Drunk Driving, and then it'll also feature an outside exhibit where we have a crashed car and a mock shrine so that students can see a real effect from distracted driving.
Okay, what do you think that the purpose is of doing a project like this?
The purpose of this project is to show teenagers who are actively driving, and teenagers are the population who are most distracted when they're driving, that there are real dangers that come along with not paying attention to the road. And we hope that we can lower that number of 11 students a day that pass away from distracted driving.
So through the Gifted program, where did you specifically get the idea to do distracted driving?
When our gifted instructor, Mr. Donetto, was teaching us about this service project that we would have to do, he was showing us videos of students that had done types of types of service projects, and we saw one about distracted driving and figured we could probably do that here.
All right. Would you be able to provide me with any statistics on distracted driving?
Well, like I said, 11 kids die a day from distracted driving, and I think about 30% of accidents teenage accidents involve drivers that were distracted.
All right. Is there anything else that you'd like to add?
Just that we really hope that this project is going to be able to teach people, not just teenagers, but everyone, that distracted driving is really the worst thing you can do behind the wheel.
All right. Well, thanks for joining me today.
Thank you.
I'm Ben Detweiler, and I just talked with Lori King about the planned Distracted Driving Day. Keep in touch with the Eagle's Eye for more information on how that went. Now back to the Eagle's Eye.